Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I just received this Rongrong PR package. It is full of items from her fall #2 collection, which launches today. In fact, right now you can go and purchase this stuff. It just launched. So I'm excited to unbox these goodies with you. I would really appreciate it if you'd use my affiliate link. It really does help me out. And you also get 10% when you use that link. It automatically deducts it when you click my link, and that is always in the description box. So thank you for that. Now let's see what we've got here. Don't worry, be happy. Yeah, lots of cute items. So I'm gonna take everything out. Let's see what we have here. I'm just unwrapping everything so that you don't have to listen to crinkling later. You're welcome. Okay, I started unwrapping all of these and then I realized I want to keep them in their packages. So some of them are unwrapped and some are not. Let's look at these first. So this is something new from Rongrong. This is called the Fashion Girl Vault Collection, and each one of these is wrapped as a separate sticker sheet, just one sticker sheet. And you can pick and choose. They're meant to be collected. So let's just look at them one at a time. First, we have the Lipstick and Hustle, Teresa. So there she is, beautiful. Next up we have Carmen and Wonder Woman, Lady Latte, Curvy Girl Zendaya, Selena, Marilyn Monroe, Rachel, Vanessa. She's one of my favorites. So these are all from previous sticker books, drawings that Rongrong has done in the past, and they're like the favorite girls, really. Hocus Pocus, Audrey Hepburn. I love that. Kim, Slay All Day, Just a Girl with Goals, Girls Support Girls, Kelly, and Erica, Hustle and Heart. So you can pick and choose which ones to purchase and you can collect those. Next, let's take a look at this Bookworm Hobonichi Cousin Kit. Now, I'll be the first to admit, I don't know anything about Hobonichis. I know that the Hobonichi Cousin is a type of Hobonichi, I guess, but I literally know nothing about it. But these stickers are going to be sized for the Hobonichi Cousin. So you can see they're different sizes than what we usually have. And I think that's great because Rongrong is appealing to a wider audience, and I think that's a good thing. So if you have the Bookworm sticker book, these are, you know, stickers from that book. They're all book themed, reading themed, I should say. And I love that sticker book so much. It's very fall and cozy and all about books and coffee and all that kind of stuff. Here we have some decorative boxes, and then these headers down here say to do, important this week, get it done, top priority, stuff like that. So it has 3 sticker sheets for that. Next we have the Chicago Planner Sticker Pack. This is the start of a new series called Rongrong City Tour. So I guess there's going to be more packs coming out with different cities. I love that. I hope she does Philadelphia, but I don't know. That's probably last on her list. But the reason Rongrong picked Chicago first is in honor of her attending the Chicago Planner Conference. Okay, so we have blues and reds and yellows here. You are exactly where you need to be. I love Chicago. What does that girl say? Oh, her shirt says Planner Babe. Then we have some girls here with some Polaroids. Cheers from Chicago. I guess these are the Cubs colors, right? I don't know. All you need is love and skylines. Big cities can have big hearts. Chicago is tough and so are you. I love these little planners here. Fun fact, I've never been to Chicago. I know. That's one of my places I still need to go. I mean, I've been to the airport multiple times, but I think that doesn't count. Hello, Chicago. Important to do plans, important to do plans, important. Chicago, Chicago. Love these. It's so cute. I love highlighting different cities, so I can't wait to see which ones are coming next. And also these are perfect. So obviously there's going to be more coming, but if you are going on a trip to Chicago, this is totally perfect. And I love that other sticker packs are going to feature different cities that you can just purchase it if you're going on that trip, because sometimes it's really hard to find stickers that really pertain specifically to where you're going. So I think this is awesome. So that is Chicago. Oh wait, no, that was not Chicago. There's more to Chicago. Oh my goodness. Okay, I thought that was like hardly anything. Yeah. So here you have like clear illustrations, grow, evolve, create. We have Chicago Bulls hat, some glasses, a planner, some coffee, Chicago food, buildings, all that kind of good stuff. Look at that Chicago pizza. And here are your girls. These are on clear, by the way. The first sheets were on paper up until the ones that have the polka dots. I love that the polka dots are in the background because you can, you know, cut that out and use it for other stuff on your spread. These girls are styling. Wow. You can leave Chicago, but it will never leave you. All you need is love and skylines. Big cities can have big hearts. All right, that's really cute. I like that a lot. Maybe that means I need to go to Chicago. We'll see. Rongrong, you should have sent me to Chicago so I could research this sticker pack. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Obviously kidding. All right, autumn and winter box sticker collection. Okay, so we have 24 pages of planner boxes. Love this. Love this, and especially in these colors because these are very hard to find. You know, because bright colors are pretty easy to find in boxes, but these types of colors, which are great for fall spreads, are not always that simple to find. So now I have a whole book of them, and I am thrilled. I mean, you're gonna get all the fall colors here. So cute. I mean, can you call boxes cute? I think you can. You've got all different sizes, shapes. We have circles there, some flags. Some of them have lines, some have graph paper. I love that there's some solid boxes in here as well. There's not much to say when I do a flip through of a box sticker book, you know? Somehow I managed to find things to say, but I don't know how. I don't know how. So boxes, boxes, boxes. I'm always looking for things like dark green or navy or maroon. So I'm glad these are here. Brown boxes are also hard to find. Sorry, I'm not thinking of things to say, but it's true. We have like that sage green in there. Sort of that dark teal. Love this. Cool. By the way, in case I forget to tell you, thank you, Rongrong, for sending me the stuff. I appreciate you. Okay, next we have the Latina sticker book. This one is going to be very colorful and fun. Think like Latina. Love that door. I love these. So cute. Whoa, she's a racy. Here we have some circles with flowers. These are strips here. Some to-do strips here. Mujer Latina. I am not going to try to speak Spanish in this video. I will admit, okay, I was learning Spanish, fell off a little bit. I'm admitting it to you. I was doing it every day for like 3 months. Started falling off, haven't practiced in a while, so no Spanish from me. But I can read this, feed me tacos, and tell me I'm pretty, because, like, I want that, please. That's all I want in life. Really cute so far. So we have the boxes that are different sizes in here. I like these ripped ones. Lots of bullet points for you. Latina Power, Latina Success. The colors are really cute. I'm not yelling, I'm Latina. Latina Power. Latina I'm Proud. So cute. Wallace might jump on the desk. Look at these. These are cool. So these are layered boxes and it's all one piece. I love that. You don't have to think about the layering or anything. It's already done for you, color coordinated. It looks like, if you put it on your page, it looks like you did it yourself. So that's a special treat. And these are like more complicated than any layering boxes I've ever seen. It's really cool. I love that. We have some letters for you and little illustrations in there. The dog and cat are fighting. Yeah. And strip stickers. Then we have our Latina girls, and these are on clear. All those other ones were on paper. They're dressed very fancy, some traditional dress and some modern dress. So pretty. I just used that hot sauce last night. Ooh, churros, yum. I don't know what this is, but that looks good. I also don't know what this is. I'm not really familiar with these foods. That cake looks delicious though. I put foil on the desk so that Wallace wouldn't jump up because he's afraid of foil, and now he's like smelling it and touching it and he's fine. So there goes my thwarting his jumping on the desk. Yeah, only because there's so much stuff on my desk right now. And he knocks things over, he lays on my planners, he lays on the sticker books, and they fall all over the place. It is not a happy sight. These are still on clear. We have a bunch of florals there. Super cute sticker book. I like that a lot. And I like how inclusive it is. So now we have one more thing. No, three more things. This is a sticker storage album. It says hands off my stickers. This is in like copper foil here. There's those girls on the front. And oh, fall. And basically what this is a place to put all of your stickers. So you can put any extra stickers that you have laying around, and it'll stick to these pages. Like, I'll show you. So they'll stick to the pages and then you can pull them off. So it's like having a sticker sheet, so that you can either organize your stickers the way you want them. Like say you want all your birthday stickers in one place, you know, so you don't have to look for them. You can go through all your sticker books, do a whole bunch of pages of just birthday, that kind of thing. It's also good for extra stickers. Say you are someone who takes stickers out to place them somewhere before, you know, to collect them before they go onto your page. It's good for that. It's good for any random stickers that you have laying around, but you can do anything with these. It just sticks to it. I love that. And then in the back, there are some clear pockets. These are really nice and thick. There's 3 of them. So you can store sticker sheets in there or whatever you need. And that is what the back looks like. Okay, that is really useful. And now we have 2 pet tapes. The Chicago one and the Latina one. These pet tapes are great because they are stickers, they're not tape. And if you don't want to purchase the sticker book, you can purchase the pet tape. It's a little cheaper. And also, if you really love a particular sticker book, you could also purchase the pet tape in addition to the sticker book, and you'd have lots more stickers. So it's really helpful for that too. Let's look at this Chicago one first. And the other thing is that these stickers on here are usually bigger. Some of them are bigger than the ones in the sticker book, I think. So here's what we're dealing with. And there's so many designs on here. Obviously they're all in the sticker book as well. You've seen them all already, but it just keeps going and going. and going. So that's as many as you get. And then of course the roll is pretty big, so you can just have stickers for days, weeks, months, and years. If you live in Chicago, this will be awesome because they'll always be around to support your state. I don't know. Okay, now we have the Latina one. Let's take a look at that as well. Again, you've seen these stickers in the sticker book, but now there's a whole lot more. Ooh, look at that dress. That's so pretty. I didn't see that before. So cute. So that's as many as you get. I love the colors in this. All right, so that is everything I received from the fall collection number 2 from Rongrong. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing, and are you going to be purchasing anything from this release? I don't know if there's extra product or not. This is just what I received. I have a feeling it's everything though. And yeah, if you wouldn't mind using my affiliate link, that would help me out a great deal. Thank you as always for your support. It means a lot to me. And I will see you in my next video. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.